Hello everyone. In this video, let us see mirror formula for concave mirror. Mirror formula is a relation between focal length of the mirror and distances of object and image from the mirror. In our previous video, we have seen mirror formula for concave mirror using a real image. In this video, let us see mirror formula for concave mirror using a virtual image. Let P be the pole, F the principal focus, C the center of curvature of a concave mirror of small aperture. When the object is held in front of a concave mirror between pole and principal focus of the mirror, the image formed is virtual, erect and magnified. As triangles ABC and A prime B prime C are similar. Therefore, AB upon A prime B prime is equals to CB upon CB prime. Let me consider this as relation 1. Again, as triangles ABP and A prime B prime P are similar. We can write AB upon A prime B prime is equals to PB upon PB prime. Let me consider this as relation 2. From relation 1 and 2, from relation 1 and 2, CB upon CB prime is equals to PB upon PB prime. Let me consider this as relation 3. Measuring all distances, from pole we get CB is equals to PC minus PB and CB prime is equals to PC plus PB prime. Let me consider PB is equals to U, PC is equals to R, PB prime is equals to V, where U is object distance, V is image distance, R is radius of curvature. So from equation 3 or expression 3, we get what we get? CB. What is CB? PC minus PB upon CB prime can be written as PC plus PB prime is equals to PB upon PB prime. So let us apply sign conventions. Using sign conventions, so object distance will be negative, image distance will be positive, and radius of curvature will be negative. Why image distance is positive? If we observe ray diagram, image is formed along the direction of incident rays. So image distance is positive, whereas object distance is opposite to the direction of incident rays. So object distance is negative. and radius of curvature also measured from pole opposite to the direction of incident rays. So when we use sign conventions, we can write PB is equals to minus U, comma, PB prime is equals to plus V, and PC is equals to minus R. So if you substitute this in the above relation, then we can write what is PC? Minus R, minus R, minus into minus, plus U upon minus R plus V is equals to minus U upon V, right? So if we cross multiply this with this and this with this, then we can write this as, how can we write? V into minus R plus U is equals to minus U into minus R plus V. So when we multiply V with each term, minus VR plus VU is equals to UR plus UR minus U into minus R plus UR minus UV. If we rearrange the terms by transposing minus VR to the other side and minus UV to the LHS side, we can write 2VU is equals to UR plus VR. Dividing both sides with, dividing both sides by UVR, we get 2VU by UVR is equals to UR by UVR plus VR by UVR. So we can cancel certain terms from this. Here VU and UV get cancelled, here UR and UR get cancelled, and here VR and VR get cancelled. So we can write the relation as 2 upon R is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Since R is equals to 2F. So if you substitute this, then we can write 2 upon 2F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So here we can cancel 2 and 2. So we can finally write 1 by F is equals to 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So this is required mirror formula. Hope you have understood the explanation. Thank you.